Axis Bank saying that it could merge with local peer Intercontinental Bank. You're telling us about some of the pros and the cons. It seems that the CEO says there are a lot of synergies between the two companies and said it's a perfect match. Why do you think we're getting that kind of rhetoric? In what way would you say Axis and Intercontinental are a perfect match?
Yeah, basically, Axis Bank has a very strong corporate and institutional banking platform, and Intercontinental Bank, they've got a very strong retail platform, and they've got this wide network of branches all over the country. Axis Bank will be able to leverage on Intercontinental's branch network to improve its retail banking platform. I think that's a very good area of synergy for them. In addition, there are areas of cost-cutting measures where they can definitely harness some synergies. They'll be definitely laying off a couple of duplicated functions. Definitely, you're going to expect synergies in that space. Yes.
Well, Tunde, I mean, we know that the Securities Exchange Commission also needs to approve this. The central bank is also going to play quite a vital role. Do you think that it's going to be met with any resistance from these big entities?
I doubt it's going to meet with any resistance from the big entities. I think this deal is going to scale through. Access Bank, as you know, is a mid-sized bank. Intercontinental Bank is, was a very big bank. Yeah. So I don't see any resistance right now from the regulatory bodies. No.
In terms of buying into these companies at this point in time, and I mentioned a little earlier, of course, we had Axis Bank coming under pressure on Friday, down around 3%. Intercontinental, however, did gain some ground. I mean, those are just Friday's numbers, but would you be buying at these levels? Is this a good entry point in anticipation for a deal like this to go through?
Yeah, generally this is a good entry point. I would say at this level, Nigerian banks generally, they're trading at a very low price to book value relative to the emerging market pairs. If you look at the price to book values, we're looking at an average price to book of about 1.2 times price to book for our coverage universe, compared to emerging markets price to book value of about 2.3. Yeah, I think this will be a very good entry point, yes.
In terms of what we could see going forward this week, in terms of announcements, it seems that Axis Bank is only really giving us this bit of information, which of course we've just given out to the viewers. We also have rescued lenders such as AfriBank, Bank PHB as well, and the likes of FinBank as well. They say that we could see some big news coming to the fore relatively soon. Do you think that most of this news has largely been priced in? I'm sure there's a lot of news and whispers on the ground over the last few months.
I would be surprised if this news haven't been priced in already. These rumors have been going about for some time now. So,
Tunde, in terms of what you're expecting this week from the banking space, we have seen rescued banks doing quite well and the healthy banks coming under pressure. Do you think that this is going to be an overall boost for the banking sector in terms of trade this week? And a sentiment booster, if you will?
I expect some volatility in bank prices this week.